In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF file to WhatsApp from your computer, laptop, or PC. Whether you're sharing important documents with colleagues or sending files to friends, this straightforward process will help you do it quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to open WhatsApp Web on your computer. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in web.whatsapp.com. This is the official site that allows you to use WhatsApp on your desktop by linking it to your mobile device. Once the web page loads, you'll see a large QR code displayed prominently on the screen. This code is key to connecting your phone's WhatsApp with the web version. Next, you'll need to scan the QR code using WhatsApp on your phone. Grab your smartphone and open the WhatsApp app. Navigate to the menu, typically represented by 3 dots in the upper corner for Android users, or the settings icon for iPhone users. Here, you'll find the WhatsApp Web option. Select it, and your phone's camera will activate, allowing you to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once scanned, your WhatsApp conversations will appear on your computer, mirroring what you see on your mobile device. Now, locate and open the chat where you want to send the PDF file. Simply scroll through your list of conversations or use the search function to find the specific contact or group you have in mind. Once the chat is open, let's take a look at how to attach the PDF. You'll notice a plus icon in the chat window. Clicking on this icon will open a menu of options. Choose the document option from this menu. This will allow you to browse files on your computer. It's important to select Document because this option supports PDF files, ensuring they are sent correctly. At this point, you'll see your File Explorer is open. Navigate through your folders and select the PDF file you wish to send. Double-check to make sure you've chosen the correct file, as once sent, it can't be undone. Then, click on Send to add the file to your chat. After a moment, you'll see the PDF appear in your conversation, all ready for the recipient to view. And that's it. Sending a PDF file from your computer to WhatsApp is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can easily share important files directly from your workstation without needing any extra apps or tools. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tech tips and tricks.